great quote. So it goes like this: a person needs to be like a shark. A shark doesn't just roam around. It gets up every morning and it hunts for their fish. And fish just roam around. This is what it feels like living in New York City, right? And it definitely feels like there's so many sharks here in New York City. And sometimes you feel like this little shark learning how to hunt, you know what I mean? Yes.
Come on in, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What are you doing?
Parvis.
Alright, so basically I see where your major area is, where you're out of alignment. It's called subluxation. It's misaligned vertebra due to stresses in life. So you're kinked up right here on the left. You're in pretty good shape, my man. Not bad at all.
You think so?
Yeah, I mean, well, 24?
Yeah.
You're a year older than my son. You're gonna like this. We're gonna adjust you prone.
Okay.
This is, just relax your head. Let it go. Drop this. Now put your hands back up there.
Back here?
Yeah. Now just relax. Take a breath and let it go. You're just gonna come in here like that. And we're gonna get this big boy. In. Yeah. There it is. Sweet. Okay, lay on your side facing me. Okay. Alrighty. We're gonna go like this. We're just gonna go like this. Put your head right there. And then this arm. Bring this hip a little more towards the middle. Good. Straighten this leg. There you go. I'm just gonna go like this now, man. Good. Bring your head like this. Less torque on the spine. Less torque. Take a little breath. And then I'm just gonna go right on this fourth lumbar like this. So torque vector, just drop in. Piece of cake. I'm gonna do the hip on the other side. Turn this way. Nice, man. Alright. This one's just gonna pull us here. Just there you go. Okay, sit here for me. Okay. Nice. Okay, why don't you just sit up straight? Okay. Stick your heart out, roll your chin back. This is how you want your posture to be. Okay. Look at me. You're not like this. You want to be open.
I see.
And graciousness, you know? Yeah. And then we're going to just open this curve a little. Good. Pleasure to be of service.
Yeah, thank you.
You got it, my man.
By the way, guys, here at 393 with Zoltan, shooting a video today. Maybe a little B-rolls. But yeah, it's been a long time since I've been here.
I know, it has been a while.
Yeah, I was always a guest for like all past year. Is your studio ready?
My studio?
Yeah.
Kind of, yeah.
The piano? Wow, this is what I've been looking at the past 2 months on Instagram.
I know, I haven't really posted any videos, but let me see here. All right, everything looks good over here. Let's go.
It does look good. So the question is, how long did it take you to acquire this?
So I posted my first video on YouTube in 2011.
2011?
And I got that 2017, beginning of 2017. It's like 6 years.
5, 6 years, damn.
Yeah.
Well, it's my 3rd year, so.
You got some time, bro. But you know, there's some people that did it in like 6 months. To be honest, I'm ready to get back into YouTube. I want to get back into it.
Oh, you still remember the notes.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, you still remember the notes.
That's good. You guys want to hear that? Like dubstep?
We have to like do a whole thing with like different beats, piano, guitar.
Yeah, we should do it.
Yeah.
I got this drum machine.
How many keyboards do you have?
I got this drum machine over here.
Look, 1, 2, and then the real
1,
piano.
2, 3, 4, 5.
That's a different kind of keyboard.
I got a couple other. I got 2 others. I got 2 others over there.
I see.
So I got 7 keyboards.
7
But they
keyboards.
all do different things. Like for example, this thing. Here we go. Yeah, that's enough. Here you go. Something like that, right?
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Ah!
No, this sounds really awesome. If you can,
We can do it.
if we can like post this, that would be awesome. Like. So it's actually 7:30 p.m. right now. I'm heading up to Times Square. Alright, so this is New York City's least favorite place, Times Square. It's so cold and it's so crowded. I mean, not as crowded as it used to be, but I am so cold waiting for Abraham. What's up, my dude? You have to be in the vlog, man. How you been?
I'm good. How about you?
Got a coffee, man?
I know. I gotta tell you don't like coffee.
I don't care, man.
Okay, cool, great.
Where we gonna go? I'm so cold.
I know.
You want to go somewhere indoors?
Yeah, I know. Let's go.
Alright guys, so Abraham here, and then he speaks a little bit of Uzbek. I mean, I can speak Uzbek too, just like with a huge accent. Nima demoqchisiz? O'zbeklarga. Huh?
Bilmayman.
Bilmaysiz?
Yeah, bilmayman. So I just want to say, qalaysizlar, yaxshimisizlar?
Yaxshimisiz? Okay.
Nima gaplar?
Nima gaplar?
Nima yangiliklar?
Men bo'lmasam sizga o'zbek tilida savol beraman.
Aha.
Siz keyin o'zbek tilida javob berasiz. Bo'ladimi?
Mayli.
Mayli?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna try.
Yeah. Nechinchi yilsiz?
26.
26-dasiz.
26.
92 yilsiz.
92.
Yeah, 92. I mean, his Uzbek is like pretty decent, but he understands.
Yeah, I understand.
How long it took you to learn Uzbek?
So basically the story behind it is like I was living in China for 4 years.
Yeah.
And I have a lot of Uzbek friends
In China.
in China. So basically
There are a lot of Uzbeks.
Judayamku.
Okay.
Yeah, they kind of like do business there. So with the
Chinese, right?
Yes, the
Yeah,
Chinese Uzbek Judayamku. And then like I met one person
Okay.
and he's Uzbek, right?
Okay.
Then I really wanted to learn Russian before, like
Okay.
yeah, but unfortunately, he cannot speak Russian, but instead he teach me Uzbek language. He
No
taught
way.
me Uzbek language. So
He taught you
yeah,
Uzbek
it's like
language.
every day, "Qalaysız Abraham, yaxshimisiz? Nima gaplar?" Like every day, like so I kind of like learn from it,
Yeah.
and I try to answer it, "Man yaxshiman," and then "Nima yangiliklar yo'q,
Yangiliklar
aka," like that. So I would like
Which one of the foods do you miss?
I definitely miss osh,
Osh.
somsa,
Somsa,
mante,
mante,
and saslik.
shashlik.
Yeah,
You could have all of these in Brooklyn. Do you know that?
I know it.
It's made like back in Uzbekistan.
It's really
It tastes
authentic.
yeah, it tastes like back home. To be honest.
It's the dope. Yeah, I should try with you. I mean,
We should really go like
Exactly.
on Saturdays or maybe like pick a day.
Yeah.
Just go to Uzbek restaurant and like have pork, right? Osh.
I'm down, bro. I'm down.
You're down?
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So let's do it this weekend, I guess, on Saturday.
Saturday around what time?
I don't know. We'll see.
Let's see. Let's see.
Alright, guys, so Abe and I had like a great talk. We talked like for an hour, man.
I know, right?
By the way, we met these guys. These guys are YouTubers too. Say what's up.
So what's up?
Yeah, they're gonna show me a magic trick. Dude, you have.
What? Just no way.
No.
What? What the hell?
Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna call off the night. And yeah, I guess you have to subscribe, right?
Yeah.
Like and share.
He's the best, bro.
I'll see you guys in the next vlog.